Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the DeBridge airdrop. Now farming this airdrop is not free and it's kind of free, and I will tell you the reason why. Now before we move on to that, DeBridge has raised the overall funding of 5.5 million, which is led by Parafy Capital, and it's actually backed by big names such as Crypto.com is there, then UB Ventures, Lemniscape is there, and there are few others over here. Now, if you have been bridging solutions, for example, Rhino 5 and some others like Bungie, Orbiter Finance, those solutions are pretty expensive. And to be honest, DeBridge is less expensive as compared to them. And as well as there is a huge volume on DeBridge right now, which I will show you in some time. Now, you can use my link in the description as it really supports my channel. Now, once you are here in DeBridge, all you can do is basically you can swap in between different L1s and L2s. So as you can see, there are few L1s over here, like Ethereum is there, BNB is there, then Polygon is kind of a mix of L1 and L2. Then there is Avalanche, and then there is Solana, and as you can see, rest of them are L2s on the Ethereum. Now basically what you can do is you can go ahead and swap. So for example, if I want to like swap one Matic for let's say Ethereum on base, or maybe something on Solana, if I want to swap it to Solana, it will help me get some points over here. So as you can see, for one Matic I'm getting close to 35.64 point. Now if I increase this to like 10, it still gives me kind of the same point. So it's basically it's better to do some small swaps over here or small bridges over here. And also there might be some other cross chain swaps that might get you some additional points over here. Now basically this is how you can earn points on the DeBridge for now. And if we go and check their explorer over here, as you can see, the overall points that are generated is more than 613 million, and the overall volume is more than 1.8 billion. Now this volume is not by the actual users. I mean, it's by the actual users, but it's the volume through exchanges like Jupiter Exchange, and then there is wallet, Solana wallet, which is Solflare wallet. So there are a lot of big DEX and wallets that are actually using the DeBridge portal in order to swap in between different L1, L2s and other chains. Now if we check over here, you can check all the recent transactions that have been done. And if we go and check the leaderboard over here, as you can see, these are some of the big exchanges, like there is Jupiter DAO is there, then there is Solflare is there, and then Rubik is there, and there are a lot others like Lightlink is there, Zilliqa is there, and CrossFi chain. So basically most of them are using this, and the big dexes and the wallets are also earning a lot of points over here. So if you want to, you can start right now, because the thing is like to be honest, there is not much competition as of now, and there might be a potential that you might be getting a juicy airdrop from DeBridge. Now to be honest, I haven't swapped anything as of now, because I am waiting for some layer 3 quest where I might have to transfer some funds in between different L1s and L2, and in that case I will go ahead and use this one rather than using maybe Rhino 5 or Bungie or maybe Orbiter. So this will help me fetch some additional points, and as well as my basic bridging and swaps would be done pretty easily. Now one more thing you can do is basically you can go to their Galaxy campaigns over here, and as you can see, there are currently pretty less participants over here. But if you manage to complete all of this, you would be getting this NFT rewards over here. And this is the reason why I personally feel that with less competition and with less number of followers right now, if you like get in early on this DeBridge, you might be able to earn a lot of points. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.